Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the phone down. This protects the SIM and prevents glitches. Remove the SIM tray and check visually for dust, corrosion, or a bent contact. Clean gently with a dry microfiber cloth. Once done, test the SIM in a known working, unlocked phone to confirm the card itself works. Make sure airplane mode is off and the device is updated. Outdated radio firmware often causes a searching state. These initial checks separate hardware from software problems fast. Now you focus on the phone. Reseat the SIM carefully, ensuring the gold contacts face the right way. A warp tray can prevent contact. If problems persist, reset network settings. This clears corrupted APNs and restores default radio settings. Next, change preferred network type between LTE and 3G to see if the modem locks. Once done, insert a different active SIM. If that works, the issue is the original card. If not, the phone's modem or antenna needs inspection. Finish by updating the carrier profile or requesting a reprovision from the carrier. Sometimes the SIM is fine but not registered properly. If all software fixes fail, back up your data and perform a factory reset. This removes persistent configuration errors. Make sure to only do that after a full backup. If the problem remains, seek professional repair for the modem or antenna. One tip: if service is intermittent, try a known good SIM adapter or a portable signal booster.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.